Oh man, I love watching Super Mario 134 in the living room. He's so amazing. Oh, I know. What if I made my own cooking show? Yeah, that would be awesome. Let me go tell Sonic my idea. Oh man, it feels so good to just relax on the bed. It feels like I say this in every video. Sonic, Sonic, Sonic! Oh, hey Tails, what's up? Oh, I'm doing great, but I just wanted to tell you my idea. Oh yeah, and what's your idea? Well, my idea is, what if I started my own cooking show? But Tails, you don't even know how to cook. I'm learning. Okay. Yeah, and I also came here to ask you if I can make my own cooking show. Yeah, sure. You can. Okay then. Man, I wonder what got him into cooking. I think it was that Super Mario 134 guy he was talking about. Whatever. I'm guessing he was just watching some cooking tutorials. Hello everyone, welcome to the first ever episode of Cooking with Chef Tails. Today, we're going to be making toast. And here are the ingredients you need. Bread and butter. That's basically it. So, let's get started, shall we? The first thing you want to do is get the bread out of the bag. Second, put the bread in the toaster. Alright, and the third thing we need to do is turn on the toaster. So, yeah, and now we gotta wait. Alright, looks like the toast is ready. And now, we just have to get it out. But be careful, everyone. The toast is hot. The next thing you need to do is get a knife for the butter so you can spread it on the toast. So, yeah, let me go get the knife. Alright, I got the knife. And kids, please be careful with knives. I don't want you guys getting seriously hurt. So, yeah. And now, we just need to spread the butter on the toast. So let's do it. Looks like the butter is all spread. And now we're done with our toast. So let's chow down. Ooh, what do I smell? Ooh, is that food? I think it is. So, let's go get the food! Oh man, time to take a bite. Out of my way, nerd! Ah. Alright, let's chow down. Oh, my head hurts. But hey, Wario, quit eating my food! This is not your food. This is my food. So go get your own. Okay, it's your food. Well. Oh well, I'll just make me another slice of toast.